5 seconds to go. Start. Honorable members, it is a constant endeavor of my government to ensure that benefits of entrepreneurship are availed by every section in the country under schemes like Hunar Hut and Ustad. Not only the skills of lakhs of crafts persons are being developed, but employment opportunities are also being generated under these schemes. Women craft comprise more than half of the beneficiaries. These crafts persons are being connected to the global market through e-hut. Women entrepreneurs have a vital role to play in building a self reliant India. My government has taken several steps to provide new opportunities for self employment to women under the Mudra scheme. More than 25 crore loans have been sanctioned so far, of which nearly 70% have been given to women entrepreneurs under Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana. राष्ट्रीय ग्रामीण आजीविका मिशन. More than 7 crore women entrepreneurs have become a part of the network of nearly 66 lakh self-help groups in the country. These women groups have been provided bank loans worth rupees 3 lakh 40,000 crore in the last 6 years, keeping in mind the health concerns of working women in rural areas of the country. The government is implementing the Suvidha scheme, under which sanitary napkins are made available at a nominal cost of rupees 1. My government is relentlessly working towards protecting the health of infants and pregnant women through various initiatives like Rashtriya Poshan Abhiyan, free checkups and financial assistance to pregnant women. As a result of this, the maternal mortality rate has declined from 130 per lakh in 2014 to 113.